Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. Today my job is to shape my twiggy, skinny mock orange into a bendy little tree. How are you doing? My specimen today is a tree that I gather from the wilderness. No, I mean from Home Depot. This is called mock orange. And as you can see, it's really twiggy, skinny, and we need to shape it and then keep it lower, like maybe half a foot. So we don't need this little branch here. So what we're gonna do is gonna chop that up. Commonly, mock orange is used for hedges, but this is a good specimen for bonsai tree because it's very cheap. You can get it like for 18 bucks, 18 to $20 in Home Depot, at least here in Hawaii price. So I am going to wire this thingy in order for it to have like a little thing called movement. So same thing like from the previous video, I'm gonna wire it. Wiring it means to shape it so it's not gonna be boring. Also, mock orange, when it blooms, it smells really sweet. It smells almost like citrusy smell. So okay, so I'm bending it, trying to bend it all the way from the bottom to the top so I can twist it. Technically speaking, I'm not abusing the tree. I'm trying it to help to have a better shape and not like boring. So yeah. By the way, for a newbie bonsai enthusiast like me, this is the best part. The twisting of the tree, trying to control it so it will follow your hands, like its life depends on you. Oh my gosh. You have no idea how good it felt. At the same time, I'm nervous because I'm afraid that I'm gonna break the tree in half. So far, thanks to the wire, it didn't crack. I only cracked one branch, one twig, and to be honest, it wasn't a good feeling, but it feels good to have that hand control to bend the tree and shape it the way you want. It's not going to be permanent, it's going to be temporary. So you twist it the way you want it and you twist it in the direction that you want it. I mean, you don't have to keep it like in one position, but then now I'm cutting it, trimming it so it will make more twigs, it will produce more branches. Oh my gosh, this is the best part right here. Oh, very satisfying. I wish I could have you guys try it. At this point, I'm really happy, because it's the tree is taking shape already, and yeah, I just want to abuse it a little bit more. I just need to bend it a little bit more. I wish I could bend everything and follow what I want it to do. Like, I wanted it to be okay. I'm just saying it's about control. But I got my tree shaped. So now we need to can you appreciate that? Look at that bendy thing. I can't get my hands off that tree. I'm just so into bending things and grabbing things and making it bend to my whatever I want. Okay, so now we have to don't forget, we have to water it. We have to fertilize it at least once a month and make sure that there's no pest. And yeah, this is my hobby now. Yeah, you might find it boring, but if you try it, you'll be really appreciate your. But anyway, this is the last, this is what it's looked like for the rest of my tree. It's taking shape. I have different kinds of tree. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you guys not gonna get bored watching me. Thank you, bye.